Hey guys, thanks for coming to this channel. I'm your Everyday Joe. In this video, we're going to be adding to our healthy alternative series. Today, we're going to be making a high protein smoothie using this Isopure protein powder. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be making the high protein smoothie. We're going to be using the Isopure protein on this one. I'm also going to add an additional half scoop of this Vega organic protein that we made the other video on. You can check out the other video link at the end of this video. In this smoothie, we're going to add some blueberries, some blackberries, some raspberries, also some cinnamon and turmeric. We're going to use half a banana, and I'm also going to use one of these probiotic drinks here that you can buy in most stores. For additional liquid, we're going to use the silk cashew milk, about a cup's worth. I've already got maybe about 10 or so ice cubes in my Ninja blender. So let's start adding our ingredients. So again, 1 scoop of this iso protein. It's 210 calories. It's got about 50 grams of protein per 2 scoops. So we're going to use 1 scoop, it's about 25 grams of protein. 0 sugars, about half a gram of fat. So this is really all protein in this. So we're going to take and put 1 scoop in our blender. And we're going to add some of this Vega organic protein and greens. It's got antioxidants and also some plant-based proteins to add some more nutrition to it. So I'm only going to use about half a scoop of this. That's about half a scoop. And this has 150 calories, 21 grams of protein per scoop, so we use half. So about 10, 11, maybe 12 grams of protein in that one, and only 3 grams of fat per scoop, so about 1 gram of fat. So far we haven't added much fat at all. Okay, we're going to add some blueberries into here, and you can get frozen ones. These are frozen. I just took them out, let them thaw out just a little bit. And some blackberries. Again, this is full of antioxidants. Some raspberries. Okay, now we're going to add half a banana. Throw that in there. That's going to help smooth it out. Half teaspoon of cinnamon. This is Saigon cinnamon. And I like using some turmeric also, about a quarter teaspoon of that. Acts as an anti-inflammatory. Okay, and we have this probiotic drink. It's basically like a watered down version of yogurt with some probiotics in it. You can find them in most supermarkets. So we'll pour that in there. And these very low calorie. Add our 1 cup of silk cashew milk, about 25 calories in here. And if we need more, we're gonna add just some filtered water to smooth it out some. So we'll put the top on blender. We're gonna pulse it a little bit to break everything up. Okay, now we're just gonna hit the blend. It's probably gonna blend for about 45 seconds to a minute. Let's take a look at it. Very, very thick. So I'm gonna add just some room temperature water. Filtered water or Poland spring water, any kind of spring water you like. Maybe about a half cup or so. Okay, it's actually a nice purple color. If you take a look at that, it's a nice purple color in here. So let's take out the lid. Back on here. Let's pour it out. It's nice and thick, pretty smooth here. As you can see, it actually made quite a bit, probably enough for another cup here. So bottoms up. Wow, that's nice, real sweet. Keep in mind that this adds extra sweetener. This has stevia in it, so don't add too much more sweetener to it. Give it a taste first. And the food also gives it plenty of sweetness. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon. That'll give you notifications once you subscribe. Whenever I put out new content, give me some thumbs up, some comments if you have some suggestions or anything you want to add to this. I'd appreciate any input. Also, I'll add some links to the description side. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.